So we have reached Miracle Garden. It's a garden, it's a flower garden basically, and it's operational between the months of October and March, because after that the temperatures are too high for the flowers to survive. So the entry rates are 40 dirham for children and 55 dirhams for adults. So every year I've heard that, and I've also seen videos and pictures of a different setup in the garden. This year there are horses at the entrance. Sometimes there's Mickey Mouse at the entrance. Sometimes there are cats at the entrance. Every year they have a different setup and a new setup, new animals, new structures which are put up. So this garden was launched on Valentine's Day in 2013, and I think that's the reason why there are all these heart structures which are at the entrance. So there are a lot of eateries out over here, and we have decided to order shawarma. These are the average rates, like 30-40 dirhams, 20 dirham. The flowers here are maintained using treated wastewater. So the Dubai municipality retreats grey water from the city and they send it directly to the garden, and then the garden again refilters the water, converts it into very high quality water, and then the water is used for the garden. So it could take over 2 to 3 hours to complete the tour of the entire garden. But if you're clicking pictures and all that, it might take even more time. So we found this place where this guy was making a really cool sand art in the bottles. So I paid around 20 dirhams for this small bottle. The price range was somewhere from starting from 20 dirhams for the smallest bottle, and it goes up somewhere I think till 40 or 50 dirham. I'm not too sure. So the artist was kind enough to do a demonstration and show us how the tiny little camel was drawn inside the bottle. We also have Goofy, Donald Duck, Mickey Mouse and all the Disney characters here. All these structures have been set up as a part of the licensing deal between Miracle Garden and Walt Disney. This happened in February 2018. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. If you're a flower lover, if you love colorful things, you will definitely love the Miracle Garden. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned.